Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Electronics. So we are discussing about the SPPU exam preparation for the FY BSc Computer Science. This is particularly for electronics subject, and here I am discussing the first paper of its, which is the instrumentation system. The first part, which was containing 10 questions, was already discussed. You can visit to the previous video. The link is given in the description box, as well as you can just click the I button and you will get that corresponding video. Today I am going to discuss the next question, the next 10 question objective type again. So this is very much important related with your upcoming semester 2 exam, which is going to be conducted from 11th of August. So let us start with the very first question of today's video. PIR sensors are mostly used for measurement of dash. So it is nothing but the passive infrared sensors, and the options are displacement, force, vibration and human body motion. Okay, so here the PIR sensors, they are mostly used for the human body motion. They looks like this. This is one of the picture of the PIR motion. This is how it looks, having three pins. That is the plus 5 volt supply voltage pin is pin number 1, pin number 2 is the output pin, and pin number 3 is the ground pin. And this is how it detects the human body motion. Then the second question is, which of the following is a motion sensor? Now this question is very much related to the previous one. So the options are ultrasonic sensor, thermistor, PIR and LDR. Okay, so as discussed in the previous question itself, that PIR is the sensor which detects the human body motion. So obviously PIR is nothing but the motion sensor. That's why option C is the correct answer here. Then the third question is, LDR works on the principle of, options are photoconductivity, photosensitivity, photoresistivity, sorry, photoelectricity and piezoelectric effect. Okay, now here the correct answer is photoconductivity, because this is how the LDR looks and this is its working, whereas um, it works only when the light is incident on it. Okay, and only then the photoconduction effect or photoconductivity happens, where the photons, you can easily see here in the diagram. um, Here these photons are incident on the covalent bond of holes and electrons, and because of the energy of that photon, they get the covalent bond breaks, and this is how the uh, free electrons or electrons becomes free for the flow of the current. Okay, and that's why we are getting the corresponding current flow here, due to the charge carrier, which is nothing but the free electron here. Okay, so that's why the or this principle itself is called as the photoconductivity, and that's why we can say that LDR works on the principle of photoconductivity. Then the next question is, dash are devices that use electrical mechanical energy transformation to measure distance from the sensor to the target object. Options are motion sensor, tilt sensor, PIR and ultrasonic sensor. Now the answer for this question is option D, ultrasonic sensor. This is how they looks, having two parts. First one is the transmitter and another one is the receiver. This is the transmitting section and this is the receiving section. You can see here also T is written over there, which is transmitting the sound waves. Okay, it just incident on the object and gets reflected back, and that wave is then received by the receiving section. Okay, so that's why ultrasonic sensors, they are the devices that use electrical mechanical energy transformation to measure distance. Okay, distance from the sensor to the target object, and this is how they are actually working. The heart of the digital camera is dash. CCTV, image sensor, electronic signal, and optics. Okay, so obviously the heart of the digital camera is nothing but the image sensor. Option B is the correct answer here. Okay, and these are some of the types of image sensors like CCD and CMOS. Then one of the application of PIR is motion sensor. That's what we had discussed in the previous two questions. Passive infrared sensors. Options are hand dryers, energy efficient lighting, intruder alarms, and all of the above. Now here just take a note that PIR are used in multiple applications, and all of these applications which are given in this option, they are the applications of PIR, and that's why option D is the correct answer here. Again, I can show you the picture of PIR here. Then the next question is DC motors are dash. Mechanical devices, electronic devices, electromechanical devices, and none of the above. So DC motor, whenever we are talking about the motors, they are actually working on electric as well as mechanical signals. So that's why option C is the correct answer here. The DC motors are the electromechanical devices, and this is how the DC motors looks like. Dash can measure the tilting in often to axis of a reference plane. Options are ultrasonic sensors, motion sensor, image sensor, and tilt sensor. Okay, so as tilting word is there, so that's why option D is the correct answer. This is one kind of a hint we can say. And this is how the tilt sensor looks. This is one of the type of tilt sensor. There are various types of tilt sensors. You can you have already studied it. Okay, this is one type of the tilt sensor, and tilt sensors, they are used for measuring the tilting in two axes of a reference plane. Then question number 9, dash are used for measuring the look angle of a satellite antenna towards a satellite. Tilt sensor, image sensor, motion sensor, and ultrasonic sensor. So again, option A, tilt sensor is correct answer. Tilt sensor again are used for measuring the look angle of a satellite antenna towards a satellite. So there are various applications of tilt sensor also. Then the last question is, dash image sensors create high quality images with low noise as compared with dash sensor. Options are CMOS CCD, DC stepper, tilt PIR, CCD CMOS. Okay, now here you just have to go respectively, because there are two blank there are two blank words, so that's why option A and D you can relate with, but here CCD high quality देता है या तो CMOS देता है, that you have to first identify, and only then you can go with the option. So here option D is the correct one. CCD image sensors create high quality images with low noise as compared with the CMOS sensors. Okay, and this is how they looks. This is the first image is of the CCD sensor, and another one is of the CMOS. CCD is the charged coupled device, and CMOS is the complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Okay, so CCD creates high quality images with low noise as compared with the CMOS sensors. So this was all about the second part of the objective sessions. We will meet in the third part also. So thank you so much everybody. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you so much.